This tutorial will guide you how to sign in Among Us game. Make sure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now, once you open your game, you have just downloaded it. Make sure to open. Now, it will come on this screen here. Now, automatically it will prompt you to sign in. So just select here, sign in. Now, it will need Face ID. Now, after sign in, just wait for a few seconds and then you can perform age verification by just selecting the age, then select the date of birth, then click submit. Then just be sure to cancel this announcement, then you can see your profile being built here. If you're on Android, you can try these steps. On Android, if you just open the game, it will prompt you to continue with the Google Play games. So just tap continue and then scroll down and then click continue again. Then scroll down, select continue. Then it will prompt you to perform age verification. So just repeat the same steps. Click submit. Then say yes. And then it tells you sign in to an account. So select sign in. That says you have successfully signed into your account. So click close. So if I tap on my profile here, it says just you can click this and then click confirm, then close. If I tap on my profile at the top right corner here, it will show my username. So that's how you can sign in Among Us game.